y'all ain't gonna believe this. Y'all for real ain't gonna believe this. That's a...
What's going on, guys? So my Sierra has had some really annoying window issues since I bought it. I just haven't dedicated a day to try to figure out what's going on. So today we're going to try to fix the issue, or at least figure out if it is an electronic issue or a mechanical issue. So let me show you what we got going on. So with the driver front, if you hit this, of course it's going to act right on camera. Typically it'll go down like an inch and then get stuck and then glitch, and then I have to hit the button again. Yeah, of course it's gonna act right on camera. And as you can tell, it's got some really, oh, there goes. Really janky tint, which I did not buy this from a young guy. It was like a 40-year-old dude that had this truck in his family. I don't know how in the world they got the tint so screwed up, but I'm thinking maybe that has something to do with it, especially something to do with this. But the driver front, no issues whatsoever. Rolls down perfectly fine, rolls up perfectly fine. Now the back rear, which is obviously very annoying for my son because he wants to roll the windows down, and I have to explain to him that they don't work and that we can't roll them down, and so obviously he's not happy about that. We got to get it fixed. If you hit the back, nothing, absolutely nothing happens whatsoever, even if you hit the switch on that door. Now if you hit the one on this right here, listen, you can hear something. The motor's working, but something's not connected right, or the plastic for the door liner's messed up, or possibly it has sucked maybe some janky tint down in there and it's all wound up, because it'll go all the way down and then all the way up tight like it's working, but the window's not moving. So we're going to take that apart as well. Then over there, maybe the window motor is actually dead. We're going to take it all apart. Let's get started. All right, so mine does have the typical issue with this part being broken, but there's actually a screw holding this down, so you don't want to just yank this off. You're going to rip that out and then it's going to be totally flopping. So get you a flathead and a 7mm. There we go. Take that off. There's one right here behind this. Very long one. Take this guy. Plop that bulb in there for the time being. Take your little triangle out. It's just gonna pop out. Just like that. T20. Then over here you got a push pin. Junk falling out, and unplug all of this just like so. Flip that like a lever. Blue, green, and the black. Now we're free. Here's that screw that's holding this on. Take that off. And this will just pull through like that. All right, now all this is fairly easy. I'm just gonna pry these up. Give this a good cleaning as well, and then we'll throw it back together and see what it does. All right, got the whole thing back together. Moment of truth. I wish it was messing up before, so we would know for sure. There it went. Still stuck. I don't know what that issue is. Maybe I do need a new switch. Nothing in the back. That one works fine. Which the auto down over there works, but oh, okay. It wasn't. Auto down did not work before. All right, let's take the back door apart and see if we can at least fix that issue. Pretty much the same thing for the back door, right? I feel a screw down in there. All right. there's screws falling out. What the heck? Alright, let's undo this one. If I can figure out how. Alright, let's set our door aside. So now I gotta figure out where this came from because this was broken inside the door. What in the jerry rig? Y'all ain't gonna believe this. Y'all for real ain't gonna believe this. I cannot. I genuinely cannot. That's a broom. Just so y'all could get a good look at what I just found. Like, nah, I ain't gonna buy parts to fix it. I'm gonna go get my freaking broom. What? All right. We gotta see what this actually does when you hit the button. I honestly don't know where this is supposed to go. I know it's not right there. Yo, if a mechanic did this, if old boy did this, that's pathetic. If a mechanic did this, you should be ashamed. Like, straight up, you should be ashamed. What is happening right here? What is this? This is insanity. So this is holding the window up. That's what this is doing. I gotta take the other side off now because the other side doesn't work either. I gotta figure out if this same crap what is happening? What in the hillbilly heck is going on? This was not plugged in, so that's why it's not working. It's corroded. Why would you do this? Is there a reason you would want the windows up and unable to roll down in the back? What's happening in this truck? What's going on? I'm very confused at the moment. Because the motor works over there. I'm assuming if I plug this up, the motor probably works over here. Maybe the cables have broken. Maybe the glass fell off the slider. And they were just like, you know what, screw it. I'll just shove some freaking wood in here and keep the glass up all the time. I mean, they took the time to, like, adhesive this so this would seal properly. I'm at a loss of words. I'm like, I'm at a loss of words. Well, I guess at the beginning of this video, I did say I wanted to fix the issue or at least diagnose what was going on. I guess we've successfully diagnosed what was going on. We've got freaking wood in our doors. This makes no sense. I guess I'm gonna have to do some research. I'm gonna put this video out. I mean, I guess it's exposing my truck as being clapped out or literally like just redneck thrown together, which makes no sense from the person that owned this before me. Really weird, really weird. So I got to do some research and figure out what I actually need to buy to replace all this. But like I said, we're literally, the windows are held up on both sides of the rear by wood. Shame on you, whoever did this, for real. So I got to figure out what I need. I guess I'm probably just gonna have to end up getting all new everything. The motor should work. I'm gonna plug in over there and see if the motor will actually spin something. That way I don't have to buy new motors. But I guess I'm gonna need all. Dude, what in the world? So yeah, pointless video aside from, I guess, y'all getting a laugh. I was really hoping to get this fixed today. I was hoping it was gonna be some kind of dirty connection or I don't know. The last thing I expected to do today was open up my doors and find that there is wood holding the back two windows up. This is insane. So yeah, anyways, I guess that's about it for this video. Y'all comment down below and let me know what parts I need to fix this. Like I said, I'm gonna put the video out even though it's exposing my truck, but I mean, that's what happens, I guess, when you buy a used truck. This is the price you pay sometimes, which I addressed the doors. I asked him there was a couple issues with the truck, and one of them was that the rear 2 windows didn't roll down when I was test driving it. I don't think he really addressed it. I think he just said that he knew that they didn't roll down. Boy, you knew it didn't roll down. You also knew you've been shoving freaking wood up in here to hold the windows up. I don't know what the crap's up with that, but anyways, yeah, that's the video. With that being said, I'm blown away, disappointed, and out of here. I'll see you in the next one.